Hey, welcome back. This is Dave Espino, the InfoBoss, and today we're going to talk about how to sell info like a boss. And in today's video, we have a question, and that is, what are examples of really valuable information products? Well, I'll tell you, the most valuable information products typically come with some coaching or some mentorship. I have a mentorship program, for example, that sells for $997. And in my mentorship program, I give more of myself than I do in just my standard online courses. That's what makes an online course or an information product valuable, is how much access you have to the expert. So, although my mentorship program sells for $997, I've sold mentorship programs for as much as $5,000. And some of my friends in the information product space have really high-end coaching offers. These are more like high-level masterminds that require all of the expert's time and sell for $50,000 to $100,000. So the really high ticket information products, anywhere from $1,000 all the way to $100,000, typically are going to require more of your time as the expert and more of your giving to your people that you're mentoring. And that's how you create a high ticket information product. So just to give you a quick example of my mentoring program, it's called the World's Most Perfect Business Mentorship Program. And in it, I walk you through an entire 6 weeks of training, about 9 or 10 hours of core training that includes action guides, that includes one-on-one calls with me, that includes group coaching, where we get together as a group and I do a little bit of training and answer some questions and help you, coach you along. It includes a private Facebook group. So all of these things require some of my time to help to fulfill and to help you to be successful, right? And so whenever you have that type of dynamic happening, you can charge a lot more for an information product. So how do you create a high ticket information product? You give more of yourself. I call it the hierarchy of you. In other words, the less of you that they get, for example, an inexpensive course that you might find on a marketplace platform, the lower the cost is going to be. But the more of you that they get as they rise up this, let's call it a pyramid of value, the more of you that they get, then the more it's going to cost, because there's only one of you, and you could sell hundreds of thousands of individual courses that don't require your time. So when you are willing to give of your time, then of course you should be charging a lot more. Think of it as a consultant or a highly paid consultant where you're actually giving of your time, and that holds a huge amount of value, right? So that's how you create a high ticket information product. You either give an action guide, supplementary resources, supplementary training, one-on-one coaching, group coaching, private Facebook community. All these things add up. Now, I know I could charge a lot more than $997 for my program right now, but my goal is to get so many people successful in the information products and online course business that I can then bump it up to $1,997, to $4,997, and so on. So that's how you create a high-ticket information product or online course. If you like the information product business and the online course business, be sure to get my free book. It's available as a free download down below this video. It's also available at daveespino.com/free book. And also go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell to make sure that you're notified every time we come out with a brand new video. I'm creating a lot of video content around the online course business, the info product business, the sales funnels that we need to be able to sell our information products and online courses. So be sure you hit that subscribe button. So I'll see you next time on this channel.